The last program has been done it that way. What I can say, I never backing off. I'm persist until I haven't done. Many years ago, when I had I had to repeat. I already said it in different programs, but the context is always the same. I had to repeat when I came to Italy at 20 years in 91 on January. I had to repeat my entire high school that wasn't recognized. And I started as a private, working in different restaurants, night by day. I was repairing Denon professional audio just to survive. And I had to repeat 5 years of the high school.